Automated systems ensure every panel is sorted with millimeter precision, maximizing efficiency in the GMC manufacturing process.
The Class A surfaces look good, well within spec.
Confirmed. CMM report matches the scan data.
State-of-the-art robotics ensure precise application of the anti-corrosion sealant, followed by meticulous inspection.
In the GMC Powertrain preparation zone, automated systems ensure every engine and transmission is aligned with absolute precision before installation. Technicians finalize the steering columns while digital displays confirm critical torque values, ensuring millimeter-perfect alignment every time.
Check the emissions readout here.
Looks good. System status is green. Vehicle ID confirmed.
Unit is secure, ready for module integration.
Confirmed. Diagnostics are showing green across the board. At the GMC facility, advanced robotics work alongside our technicians to ensure every leather seat cover is stretched perfectly. Utilizing robotic assistance, technicians meticulously fit every soft-touch panel and chrome accent, ensuring flawless integration.
Verify the wiring harness routing against the diagram.
Checked. It matches the spec sheet.
The rubber weather strips are carefully pressed into place. Robotic assistance applies uniform pressure, guaranteeing a perfect seal every time.
Alignment sequence initiated. Checking specs on screen B.
Specs match. Locking calibration on vehicle 2.
Camber looks good on the front left.
Okay, let's adjust the toe on the right side.
Readings confirmed.
We had a brief spike in NOx during the high RPM phase.
I saw it, but it stabilized quickly. We're clear for compliance.
The drivetrain is showing significant stress under this load profile. The simulated incline matches the off-road parameters exactly.
Final checks complete on chassis and engine bay. Everything within spec.
Interior and exterior finish confirmed. Ready for final release.
Infotainment and interior trim confirmed. Accessory package matches the digital build sheet. Verification complete.